Hi my friends, I will explain how to get money from watch ads. These websites won't make you rich, but they make it easy to snag a free gift card or earn extra cash into your PayPal. Getting paid to watch ads is a real thing, but it's important to go in with realistic expectations. While the sites on this list do pay, either in cash or free gift cards, it is good for earn extra cash. Number 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks gets a lot of attention and is widely considered one of the best overall survey and reward websites. That's partly because it's more versatile than many others. In addition to making money watching ads, you can get paid for taking surveys, playing games and more. While you're not going to get rich from watching videos and ads through Swagbucks, the extra cash does add up over time, especially if you combine it with some of the better moneymakers on the site, such as its online shopping portal. For example, if you're booking a vacation, Swagbucks often has cashback offers on travel websites like Expedia that pay up to 5% and occasionally more. These larger purchases are a great way to rack up reward points quickly. Those points, which are called SBs, can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Refer your friends and family and earn 10% of their earnings for the life of their account. Sign up for website is easy. Write your email. Write strong password. Next verification your email. Number 2. iRazoo. iRazoo is one of online rewards program that offers paid video ad watching as well as the following earning methods. Download apps. You may be required to use the app, like reaching a certain level within a game. Paid survey offers. iRazoo sources its online surveys from 9 major market research firms, and provides a fairly consistent stream of new surveys to take. Money makers. You'll have to spend a little up front, but you earn more in rewards than you paid. Play games. iRazoo offers 50 games, mostly web-based puzzle games like Mahjong. Through a link to the Arcadium platform, you can cash out via gift card once you've accumulated $3 in iRazoo points. But you need $20 to request a transfer to your PayPal account. Sign up for website is easy. Write your email, first name, last name, write strong password. Next verification your email. Number 3. AppNana. With AppNana, you earn points, which are called nanas, by completing a variety of tasks on the platform. This includes downloading free apps, watching ads, referring friends and simply opening the app each day. Once you've accumulated enough nanas, you can use them to purchase paid apps, or cash them out for a free Amazon gift card. The minimum redemption is 30,000 nanas, which is valued at $1. Their Android app has over 500,000 reviews in the Google Play Store, with a 4.3 rating. However, verified reviews and the consensus on the popular r/Beer Money subreddit, where users share their experiences with money-making sites and apps, seems to be that App Nana is not worth your time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel. Greetings.